Hi everyone, a very good evening to all of you. So today we are here with you all to show कि कैसे हम लोग क्रिसमस प्लम केक ऑथेंटिक प्लम केक की मिक्सिंग करते हैं. फ्रूट ड्राई फ्रूट मिक्सिंग I do in a separate way. I only soak my dry fruits, all the exotic dry fruits into Old Monk and other rums so that it gives a very amazing mature flavor once you bake the cakes with this all dry fruit soaked rum soaked dry fruits, right? अगर आप चाहो तो इसको फ्रूट जूस सोक्स भी कर सकते हो, बट आई डू ऑथेंटिकली क्रिसमस प्लम केक विद लाइक क्रिश्चियन स्टाइल, तो वो एकदम से बूजी केक्स पसंद करते हैं. सो दिस इज़ द थिंग विच आई एम यूजिंग हियर. So I have two bowls. One is filled with all the exotic dry fruits, in the sense you can see cherries, you can see pineapples, you can see oranges, you can see kishmish or the ripe grapes, dried grapes, ठीक है. And you can see many more things like strawberries. These are cranberries. You can see the cranberries here. So cranberries, right? Blackcurrant we have, blueberries also, and so many things like mango and everything are there mixed together. You can see this entire, see, you can see the lemon, orange, ye also candied oranges peels also, along with kiwi and all, right? So they are so interesting. Color will give you an amazing color. Right? So here we have mixed dry fruits, but we are not adding any nuts here. हम लोग इसमें nuts नहीं ऐड करेंगे because usually क्या होता है, you can see in many videos there are nuts added to this while soaking, but I don't do it because जब आप nut भी soak कर देते हो, so it gives you a soggy soft nuts once you bake with that. So I usually add the dry roasted nuts along with this. So these are the tutti fruttis of different colors. You can see here green, yellow and red tutti fruttis, and we will be adding this to the big steel bowl where I will be adding all the dry fruits, right? And then we will be adding this to the tutti frutti, right? So now this is the time to add our rum, right? So I hope you all can see this. 1 minute guys. Yes. So I'm taking this Old Monk. This is the best flavor for the thing, soaking of your dry fruits and nuts, not nuts exactly, the dry fruits. So I'll be adding, mix all the things well together and then add the Old Monk into it. ओके, बहुत जन को एक क्वेश्चन रहता है कि रम कितना डालें. So as much as you can soak your dry fruits, that much is enough. So I think I need some more. So I'm adding another brand which मुझे मिला है because I didn't get the Old Monk. तो ये कॉन्टेसा ब्रांड का है रम. Okay. So I am adding this one also along with this, right? So just make it to, आपको उतना ही रम डालना है जितना आपको सोकिंग के लिए ज़रूरत पड़े, राइट? मतलब आपका ड्राई फ्रूट्स पूरा सोक हो जाए इसमें. सो इन दिस वे सोक इट नाइसली और अच्छी तरह से मिक्सिंग करके उसको स्टोर कर दीजिए इन ग्लास जार्स लाइक दिस और ग्लास कंटेनर्स. ठीक है, दिस आर द ग्लास कंटेनर्स. यू कैन सी. अब मैं आपको दिखाऊंगी कि ग्लास कंटेनर्स में कैसे डालते हैं, करेक्ट? So now you can see here, I'll be filling this jar, glass jar, with all my dry fruits, right? So now you can see here that I have fully filled this jar with the rum soaked dry fruits, right? आप चाहो तो इसमें थोड़ा सा रम एक्स्ट्रा ऐड कर दो ताकि आपकी here I am adding the entire little bit of rum into this. ठीक है, and you can keep it for around 6 months to 1 year. Okay, as much as it will mature, it will give you a taste of amazing rum soaked dry fruits, which you can use for your all Christmas plum cakes and dry fruit cakes, right? So in this way we will make the thing, and we'll cover the entire thing with the cap. Okay, so you can see here there's a cap I have added to it, and this is done.